Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the best or better quality stream video on Discord using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord, and if you don't have one, you need to you need to install one using your browser, okay? After that, you want to click on this user settings at the lower part of your screen. It is the settings logo, okay? So you just want to click that, and then here at the app settings section you can see voice and video. So just go ahead and click that and scroll down until you see this video codec. It is the Open H.264 video codec provided by Cisco System Incorporation. So disabling Open H.264 also disables hardware accelerated video encoding if available. So just go ahead and turn that off, and once you've done that, that will help you to get the better quality on stream. Okay, so that's so easy, right? And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.